Hey everyone, how's it going? Well, what am I doing today? Well, today I brought out my Magnum pressure washer. It's a 4,000 psi pressure washer. It's hot water, as you can see the boiler. It's -6 right now, so I wanted to do this yesterday when it was above zero, but it's -6, so I gotta do it today. I got the Freightliner here. Just it has a little bit of salt on it and that, but there's something in the frame here that controls. There's a control box in the frame here that controls the brake lights, and the brake lights don't work. So there is no brake lights, and I was told it was one of these deals on here somewhere. It's on the frame. I think it's just under the fifth wheel. So I'm gonna wash it off so we can put it in the shop. We gotta change the headlights on it anyway, so I'm gonna get doing that. right, so as you probably didn't see, I took the Freightliner away and I have the 7500 GMC flatbed truck, the one we were using to haul hay with. It was all dirty, mixture of wet gravel and salt, so she's all shiny and pretty. I've washed 3 trucks now. My hands are going funny from the vibration. It's not good. Too much vibration does something to your blood veins and crap like that. So I've been shaking my hands like crazy here. I think I'm going to call her a night. I think I might just rinse off one of those pickups over there, the farm pickup. Excuse me. I have all this junk all over my face, so I'm in need of a shower soon too. Yeah, the Magnum 4000 series gold works pretty well. The water's pretty hot from it. I almost had it cranked right up. I think I had her about, focus, I had her almost to 220. Like, the water doesn't get that hot. It's still going right now. That's pretty warm still in there. Now I gotta focus again. My stupid wand, you can never buy a good wand. Well, maybe from these ones they're cheap, but they always go haywire. I always have to bang that one because it won't stop. I had to replace this already. Actually, I did that today because the O-ring was gone in there. Yeah, it has a 15 horse. It's a Honda knockoff motor, so you get that a little cheaper too. I paid $2,200 for this. No, what was it? 25? I forget. I bought it at the Ritchie Brothers auction, so it was what they cost new. I'm not 100% sure, but I guess this was new for 2016. An on-off burner, improved pump, and an improved thermostat. I've had no problems with those. The only problem I've had with it is the wand. The wand, like I said, you have to bang it to shut it off, which isn't a big, it's just a pain in the ass. I have the rotary nozzle, but the water supply from the house is not quite up to par for this. You probably need, I don't know what the gallons per minute this is. This takes, I know it's 4,000 psi, but you can have 4,000 psi in anything. Your gallons per minute, that's where you get your good flow and good pressure from. Yeah, 4,000 psi. Yeah, I'd have to probably look into the book for gallons per minute, but I know the water coming from the hose is not quite enough. It should be a little bit more pressure. So yeah, hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe for more. And what do I have coming up? I have some drone vids coming up. We have to change lights. I bought a couple lights, and I have the aux beam. I picked up an aux beam light bar to put on the tractor, so now that it's all clean, I can put it on there. The main thing I took this pressure washer out for was the MX 135 blew a hydraulic hose, and it had oil all over the place. So that was the main reason. So I decided to wash everything out, everything else while it was out. So yeah, I'll be putting a light on there now that it's clean. Yeah, I could have probably flew the drone today. It was a nice calm day. The hills in the background were actually pretty nice. I wanted to get a couple shots of those. Maybe tomorrow though. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, Alberta Farmer AB. Yeah, and make sure you click like and leave your comments below, and I'll answer all your questions that I can. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.